Who is there? Come in.
Pardon this intrusion. I am a traveler in want of a little rest.
Enter, and I will try in what manner I can relieve your wants. But unfortunately my children are from home, and as I am blind, I am afraid I shall find it difficult to procure food for you.
Do not trouble yourself, my kind host. I have food. It is warmth and rest only that I need. I am now going to claim the protection of some friends whom I sincerely love, and of whose favor I have some hopes. I am an unfortunate and deserted creature. I look around, and I have no relation or friend upon earth. These amiable people to whom I go have never seen me, and know little of me. I am full of fears, for if I fail there, I am an outcast in the world forever.
Do not despair. To be friendless is indeed to be unfortunate. But the hearts of men are full of brotherly love and charity. Rely therefore on your hopes, and if these friends are good and amiable, do not despair.
They are kind. They are the most excellent creatures in the world. But a fatal prejudice clouds their eyes, and where they ought to see a feeling and kind friend, they behold only a detestable monster.
That is indeed unfortunate, but if you are really blameless, cannot you undeceive them?
I am about to undertake that task, and it is on that account that I feel so many overwhelming terrors. I tenderly love these friends. I have, unknown to them, been for many months in the habits of daily kindness towards them. But they believe that I wish to injure them, and it is that prejudice which I wish to overcome.
Where do these friends reside?
Near this spot.
If you will unreservedly confide to me the particulars of your tale, I perhaps may be of use in undeceiving them. I am blind and cannot judge of your countenance, but there is something in your words which persuades me that you are sincere.
I thank you, and accept your generous offer. You raise me from the dust by this kindness, and I trust that, by your aid, I shall not be driven from the society and sympathy of your fellow creatures.
May I know the names and residence of those friends?
You and your family are the friends whom I seek.